It almost feels like an evil sci-fi villain has his hand on the dial, controlling the wacky weather and disasters that are happening across Earth. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents. Alright, welcome to another wonderful edition of Thor News' Weird Weather Watch. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are taking it up a notch. America, look alive. Hurricane Matthew is mean, and he's headed our way. Matthew is mega massive, giant, huge, gargantuan, and he went from a Category 1 hurricane to a Category 4 hurricane in record time. And he's stuck there with winds at about 155 miles per hour. He hit the ABC Islands and is now taking a hard right, which is probably going to cause problems for Jamaica and Haiti. So after going straight west the whole time, I'm now guessing he's going to take a hard right turn, and I'm guessing Florida is going to get hit either way. The East Coast has been getting a lot of rain the last few days, and I imagine this hurricane is going to bring more, which could cause major problems. So look for that down the line. Now the sun has been freaking out, and when that happens, Earth weather freaks out, and then people freak out. And I mean that. So stay tuned, be aware, maintain alertness, be cool, and stay cool. Now you may see a lot of these hurricane models, the spaghetti models, all over the place. Meaning that there are spaghetti models all over the place, and the spaghetti models themselves are all over the place. Even the meteorologists have been complaining about how inaccurate they are. So we can't count on the models. It's like the models are on electric crack, so their information has been sketchy. So if you're in this hurricane's possible path, I would check in regularly for updates. Did I mention this storm is slow? We're talking, it's moving like it was going backwards uphill in frozen molasses while being trapped between two cold witch titties. Sorry, that's an old science saying. The storm is just a cut above, moving backwards in time. Some say that's good for us. Some say that's bad for us. Let's just wait and see. Nobody knows where it's going right now. A lot of people think it's going towards Florida and up the East Coast. Henry Margaret City thinks it's going out to sea. We won't really know till Tuesday. And if you watch the storm the way it's been moving, it has a bit of a hitch in its step, meaning it doesn't have like a pure normal rotation. It's got like a lump in its rotation, which is weird. So yeah, Hurricane Matthew is big, is slow, and nobody knows where it's going. The American model, GFS, has it going more to the west, which means a central hit on Florida. The European model has it going more east, which would put the U.S. in less danger. And there's always a chance it'll take a hard right and get out of here without any major effects on the USA. But nobody knows for sure. I got a weird feeling it's just gonna go straight up the East Coast really slowly, causing a lot of problems. So we're all just taking our educated guesses here. I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll put out another video Sunday afternoon with my findings. And I will continue to follow and cover this storm until it's gone. Worst case scenario, it's gonna creep up the East Coast, doing a lot of damage. Best case scenario, it takes a hard right and doesn't bother anyone. And who is the MVP of this climate chaos weather? I give the MVP to the mean sea level pressure Eve-Live Sauron, which has been hanging out between Europe and Greenland for about 2 years, messing everything up. Look at it, it's evil. And now the eye is growing arms. That can't be good for anyone. So yeah, Matt is slow and he's taking his time. He's loitering, doing a little bit of a loop-de-loop dance. His right side is loaded and the left side's ready to go. Alright, so now you know. Stay cool, and I'll be back. Peace out, God bless everyone. And remember, we are all in this together. Earth United. This is a Thor News presentation. Stay cool.